So today at Bloom Bliss, it's seed planting day, and I'm using potting mix, especially for seed starting. The way I like to do it is I put it in a I put it in a tub, and I'm gonna moisten it with some hot water, and then I'm going to be putting it in these, I think these are 36 count trays. Now the package says that they're 50 seeds, and these are Lisianthus, new to me growing this year. So I'm not gonna start them all at once, but I'm gonna start them probably a week or two apart. So I'm going to moisten my soil, and then I'll show you the next step. So I moistened it pretty good, and it does kind of hold together when I clump it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill my trays. And I find in the inside that this just works best in a tub. So in this one, we have the lavender Lisianthus. And then this was the peach Lisianthus. And they're pelleted seeds, but they're still very tiny. So I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna put one in each cell. It's a little tedious, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. Oops, I got two in that one. Let me just grab one. And this, there we go. These like warmth to germinate, so I'm going to be putting them on heat mats over in my grow room. I'll show you what that looks like when we get to that part. And I think the germination on these is quite a bit. Oh, it says 10 to 15 days. That's not too bad. I actually thought it was longer germination time than that. Fill all of these. I'm going to maybe do 30 of the cells, and then I'm going to wait and see how they do, and I can always plant up. I'll probably check them again after about, or I'll be checking them almost every couple days, just making sure they're staying moist. But once they start to germinate, I'll see what germination rate is, and then I'll finish and I'll sow the rest of the seeds. So I realized I'm out of my plant markers, so I just took some popsicle sticks and I called them Lizzie Apricot and Lizzie Lavender. And I'm going to stick those in their respected spots. I'm going to give them a little spritz of water. Put a cover on each. There, I'll check on them every day. So this is my workspace. I'll show you where I keep my grow lights and my seed starting. So this is attached to my office, and it's about between 55 and 60 degrees in here. I have several shelves. I will be adding lights and trays as I go along, but the Lisianthus are all tucked in. And we'll be checking on them regularly. Stay tuned.